Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a 2-for-1 special on some awesome, great quality wigs. Today, both of these units come from Mslynn HAIR. So if you guys are interested in seeing this install, make sure you continue to watch. All of the links will be in my description bar below. And before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on my socials, and they'll be in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright, so before we jump into the video, I'm just going to show you my installation process of both of these units and how quickly you can get them installed. I'll leave my thoughts below in the description bar. I won't do too much talking throughout the video. I just want to show you how great quality these wigs are, how easy they are to install, and just how they look after the aftermath. So let's go ahead and get started. guys, so that shows the 2 different units that you will get in this package. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out that direct link, and it is in my description bar below. And that's all I have for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.